Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Finest Vote, and today I'm going to play Pokemon, what's it called again? Pokemon Project Bronze, and I'm going to click to play, and I'm going to try playing this. I've never played this before, so new game. Ooh, the loading screen's cool. Oh, this thing looks so cool. I think this is an actual story. I'm gonna narrate it. Is that my house? I think it is. Oh, I'm sleeping. Oh, wait. The animation's pretty cool. I can't believe I can't believe today has finally come. Today I get my first Pokemon from the Pokemon Professor. I've always dreamed of setting out on my own adventure with Pokemon by my side. There are so many Pokemon in this world. I hope to discover them all one day, just like Ash Ketchum. Well, I'd better get going. Oh, I almost forgot. I need to fill out my trainer card. My name. Oh, no. No. Sarini. Enter. Does this work? No, okay. You know what? Finest vote it is. No. Okay, I should use one of my characters' names instead. Enter. I'll use one of my favorite characters' names. Oops. Oh, I forgot. Okay, I'll just do this. That's my character's nickname, so I'll just do Kai. Awesome! I'm that much closer to finally being a Pokemon trainer. Attention, new trainers. Some notes from the developers of Pokemon Brick Bronze. You'll be able to trade and battle with other players after you receive your first Gym badge. Gym badge. Bim badge. Your progress is not saved automatically. You must either manually save from the menu or enable autosave from the options menu. Pokemon Brick Bronze is still in development. There will be Stop! Okay. There will be bugs here and there, but we're always working to fix them. Help us out by sending a message to WAHJAH with all the details if you find one. If you have any questions about Pokemon Brick Bronze, you can post them on the wall of the official group. Oh my god, I almost said it. Okay. Yes, I'm ready to play. Now what? How do I... Oh, okay. Add these letters instead. Hello, mother. Where are you? Oh, guess I'm home alone. Kai! Hey, Kai! It's me, Jake. Oh. I can't believe we're getting our first Pokemon today. This is the day we've dreamed of since we were kids. I'm on my way to get to. I'm on my way to. I'm on my way to the lab to get mine right now. Oh yeah, your parents wanted to see you before you went to the lab. I saw them pass by my house earlier, heading towards the digging site. Hurry up and go talk to them. I'll be waiting for you at the lab. Hey, Jake. It's nice meeting you. Where do I go? I think it's over here. This place is really nice. Like, the people who made this did like a really good job. Oh, these are my parents? Cool. Well, that ought to take care of it. We have to keep this secret for everyone's safety. You're right. It's too dangerous for anyone to go down there. I don't think we should tell anybody about this. Maybe we can tell that new professor. Maybe you're right. Oh, Kai! You startled me! Hey, champ! Today's the day you get your first Pokemon. We are so happy for you, sweetie. Sorry we didn't meet you at home. We just discovered something in the cave last night. As archaeologists, your mother and I are very thorough in our work. That's right, but enough talking. Let's head down to the professor's lab and let you pick your very first Pokemon. We'll see you there. Oh my god! Oh my gosh. Oh, the game is not complete yet. There are currently 6 gyms and the content is continually being added to the game. I want Eevee. I am getting Eevee. Eevee. Professor? Okay, don't talk to the professor, I guess. Hello, my name is Professor Cypress. I'm the new professor in Midtown. I'll bet you're Kai. Your parents were just telling me about you. You must be very excited to be getting your first Pokemon today. There are a few things you must know about Pokemon first. Pokemon are our friends, and we grow alongside them. They grow and in some cases evolve and change form as we battle with them. Your Pokemon will grow to love you as you adventure with them. Oh, that's cool! I never knew that. They're not robots, Jake! Stop being so stupid, they ain't robots! Yes, and there are still many things we do not know about Pokemon. Kai, I want you now to pick a Pokemon. I want you now to pick a Pokemon that you would like to accompany you on your adventures. Make a choice from these 21 different breeds. Breeds! Go ahead now. Breeds! Oh, no, I don't want the basic ones. I want Eevee. Come on. Oh, you could pick the Alolan ones now. Oh my gosh. Is there one more? Oh, that's the original ones. Oh. Okay, I want to pick the Alolan ones. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get Litten. I like cats. I'm gonna get Litten. So, you would like Litten, the fire-type Pokemon? Yes! Excellent choice, Kai. Your new Pokemon is so cute. I know that, Mom. You don't have to tell me. That Pokemon definitely has potential in battle. I hope our Pokemon become best friends like we are. Yeah, sure. Since when were we best friends? All right, Kai. Many challenges await you. Let me give you one other gift that'll help you alongside your way. It's a Pokédex. It's like an electronic encyclopedia that records the kinds of Pokemon you encounter and capture. It'll also help me in my research with Pokemon. Also, if you'd like, you can come back anytime and purchase another Pokemon from my assistant, David. Now, what are you waiting for? Go and explore the world of Pokemon. Yes, Kai. Go ahead and have fun with your Pokemon. We need to stay behind and talk to the professor for a minute. We'll meet up with you later. Now where do I go? Hey Kai, wait up! We have Pokemon now! Let's battle! Oh no. Pokemon Trainer Jake would like to battle. Pokemon Trainer Jake has sent out an Eevee. Come on! He has an Eevee and I don't! That's not fair. Fight! Ember. Litten used Ember. Wait, I can't see anything. Fight. Scratch. Litten used Scratch. Opposing Eevee used Tackle. Fight. Ember. Litten used Ember. The opposing Eevee used Tail Whip. Litten's defense fell. Oh no. One more. Litten used Ember. The opposing Eevee fainted. Litten gained 69 XP points. Litten grew to level 6 already. Oh, it's a boy. Cool. Amazing. Kai received... Wait. Kai won? Oh, wait. I'm Kai. Okay. Nice fighting. Here, let me heal your Pokemon. Wait. Kai, that was an excellent battle. Your father and I watched you while we were discussing things with the professor. We are very proud of you for taking this step to become a Pokemon trainer. We want you to know that we'll be supporting you as you explore Roria. You need to be very careful, as you're going to be out for your own for the first time. I'm 12. Like, in this thing. No, I'm not 12 in this thing. You have to be 10 to get your first Pokemon, so I'm 10 in this thing. Don't forget to floss! Yeah, I won't floss, sorry. Kai, we want to give you something to take with you as a gift to celebrate this momentous occasion. Huh? Bronze brick obtained. Kai put the bronze brick in the bag. I made it into a necklace just this morning. When you look at it, remember your family who loves you. Don't forget to keep it safe. We're headed back into the house. If you need anything, that's where you can find us. Wow, that was really cool of your parents. Oh, by the way, I have something for you. Oh, thank you. They're for catching wild Oh, it's a Pokeball. Okay. Obtain 5 Pokeballs. Kai put the Pokeballs in the bag. It works best if you weaken the Pokemon before throwing a Pokeball at it. Well, I need to go gather a few things before I set off on my adventure. You should go start training your Pokemon on Route 1. Past Route 1 is on Cheshma Town. That'll be a good place for us to meet up. Alright, I'll see you later. This game is really cool. Like, this is actually a really cool game. Oh, I'm out. Okay, where do I go? Did I actually go back? Okay, wait, let me go back in. Oh my gosh! Hello, mother, father. I don't think they have anything to say to me, so I'm just gonna leave. Let's just go to whatever town that is. And who are you? You shouldn't be sitting on the bridge like that. I'll push you out. Good luck on your adventures out there. For Pokemon ever to be quick healing, come talk to me. Wait, did someone swim? It's gonna turn you. Route 1. A wild Dragonair already? Look, go, Litten! Fight. Oh, it's a water type. That's... Dang it. Litten is hurt by Scratch. Wild Dragonair used Twister. Litten is hurt by Rap. Litten used Scratch. Wild Dragonair used Twister. Litten is hurt by Rap. Bag. Let's try. Drum roll. Yeah, I caught it! Dragonair's data has been added to the Pokédex. Give a nickname to the Dragonair you caught. What should I... Nah. Let's give her the name. I'm gonna give her the name Ocean, I guess, because she is a type, but she's also a dragon type. I thought of giving her the name Dratini, but then that's the one before it, and that's just stupid. Dragon. Water hose from My Hero Academia. Litten, wow. Litten, wow. Where do I go? Okay. Who this? Who you? Oh. I met my Pokemon on this route. That's nice. Camperjack! Camperjack sent out Litten. Zigzagoon. Okay, I'm gonna use Ember. Oh no, Litten's already injured. Dang it. Ember. Oh, already? Wow. I'm probably gonna go heal up Lynn. Wow. Maybe I should catch more Pokemon. I received. Oh, I get money. Wow. Bugs are the most interesting Pokemon. Bugcatcher Rel. Already. Go, Litten. Fight. Lick. Wait, it's a ghost move? That's so cool. The opposing Wurmple used Tackle. Wurmple. No, it's right. Litten used Lick. Oh wow. How am I killing all of these? No, like, I'm not killing them. How am I knocking them out? Yes, I'm going to switch to Water Hose. Switch. Go, Water Hose! Again? Okay, fight. Wait, Water Hose is also. Ooh. Left or right? Thunder Wave. Twister. Yep, I'm dead. Okay, Litten. Go, Litten. Use Ember. Hey, maybe my bugs are the best for training. I also received more money, and I think I should stop here because Ember! It's not very effective, but the Onyx fainted. Well, alright, I think I should end it here. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!